713, obviously owning a car has its share of perks. However, ownership also comes with some drawbacks.
That's why Susan is here with On Your Side, standing by with some tips for all of us with the latest podcast.
Yeah, the drawback is the maintenance, right? So while I was off, Gary held down the fort with a podcast for us. He's talking about maintenance. Is there a way to actually save money? Take a listen.
Premium fuel is much better for your car. You should use premium fuel on your car. Is that true or false?
Well, it depends on what you're driving. If you have an engine that's high compression, premium fuel is going to be better. Normally, it's going to tell you in the owner's manual, on the gas cap, on the fuel thing, it's going to scream at you everywhere, premium only. In that case, don't mess with it. The engineers said premium, use premium. Most vehicles out there will run on all grades, and the low grade is, lower octane, and it has a lower additive package. Whereas the middle grade generally has an additive package that's very similar to the premium. The octane's a little bit lower, so it's kind of the best of both worlds.
How often do I need to change the oil? The old adage is every 3,000 miles, but that's kind of outdated, isn't it?
Most vehicles anymore use synthetic blend or full synthetic oil. That oil is going to last a lot longer. Some vehicles, they'll say 7,000 miles. Most of them that have stretched them to 7 to 10 are starting to scale it back some. But really the issue is not so much the oil itself. The oil driven a car in the valley, the silicone that's in the air is more significant than most places where you would drive. We have dust. So you're going to want to change it a little more often than it calls for.
There is a QR code at the bottom of your screen that will take you right to the podcast. You can just scan that with your phone right now. Remember, you can also get the On Your Side podcast on any of these platforms, including our AZ Family YouTube page.